How to redeem rewards gift card on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. If not a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, launch the Roblox application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now while the page is loading, just make sure you have the stable Wi-Fi connection. After that, all you have to do is just tap on the more icon or the more option at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. So tap on more, and as you tap on more, just scroll down and here you can see the option of gift cards. So tap on gift cards, and then as I tap on gift card, it will give you different options. So just tap on redeem card. So tap on redeem card and then it will lead you to the web browser over here. So all you have to do over here is you just have to mention your gift card virtualizer or promo code below over here into the code box, and then you'll be able to redeem your rewards gift card on Roblox. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.